All righty. We're going to get to another job. We're going to get down and see another vendor. And we'll be back here tomorrow. Coming back here tomorrow?
Yep.
Coming back here tomorrow?
Yep. Sod's coming.
Sod's coming. We'll be out here at the landscaper. We don't do sod, but we're going to be out here alongside the landscaper, making adjustments. We're back in Annapolis this afternoon, checking up on this new install. We're following the landscaper as he's sodding today, doing the final adjustments for the sprinkler heads, so everything will be covered. He's got his sod going down here today, looking good, looking good. I'm gonna take a look, see what else we got going on here. James out back?
He's inside, I think.
Inside? How's he lay inside? Huh?
There he is.
Hey, where's James at?
What's that?
Where's James at?
Um,
I'm looking for that boy.
he was right over there.
We'll catch him.
He might be sitting in his truck.
Oh, eating lunch.
Come on, you know how those guys are.
Nordy said he was inside. I said, how in the world can he lay his sod inside the house? What's
So I went
today?
over with the one gentleman. We've already got everything tied into the app.
Uh-huh.
The times in and all that stuff. Twice a day, he said.
Okay.
Does that sound right?
Yes, sir. You save me anything for lunch? Oh, the lights got put up today. They look good, don't they?
Getting there, buddy.
I was looking at that yesterday. They weren't up there, and I just looked now. I was like, wow, they look good. That's
Mama
a nice.
Bear was here this morning.
Huh?
Mama Bear was here this morning.
Uh-oh, heads are spinning.
Oh, no, she's all good.
She's all good?
I'm not worried about that. It's when my brother gets involved. That's a whole different ballgame.
No, I mean with the lights. They look good.
Looks good. Two more down here. Getting there, brother. Nice kick. Appreciate it. In and out. It's the only way to make money in it.
You know that.
Oh, I do.
You preach the same thing,
Hey,
don't you?
hey, get
I can
in.
come to your sales meeting. I'm here to. I'll be like, oh, same thing. Got to get in and out. That's how you make
Get in,
money,
get out,
make customers
and
happy, keep them happy.
Gotta be ready for me.
Yep. Beautiful out here.
Thanks.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
And Chris looked at that, so that's all stubbed out, ready to go for him, right? To tie into that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, gotcha.
Make sure he turns the handle off in here. It's live. It's ready to roll.
Yeah, we're live. We're live now, right?
And we live, baby. Yeah.
Yeah, we.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean. This,
Oh,
you know what I mean?
he'll set up
Yeah,
and-
yeah. If he cuts into it right now, someone's gonna get a bath.
He's gonna be about a week or two.
Yeah, but I mean that well pump, horse and a half, 35 gallons a minute, someone will get a bath. And that'll just keep
That's
on
why we got a
rolling.
new one. That's an irrigation outside,
Yep,
constant pressure pump with the guys from
Mid-Atlantic.
Fire Protection.
yep, absolute. In Mid-Atlantic, they did you right down there. I was looking at the gear Mid-Atlantic put in.
Yeah,
nice
he-
gear, nice equipment. Come on, Nordy. We'll go around and talk to Chris, make sure everything's good. I just told Ever said he'd be there 2:33. He's leaving Brian McCain's to Pasadena. He's running behind. But I told him that you're coming, meet you and Wilbur and him at 2:30. You guys move the manifold in 2 hours. Come on. You got 4 of the best people in the world. Unless Jacob shows up, and then he'll talk you to death. And Abner, oh my God. That boy, he's all over the place. Hey, I'm looking for some good garage guys. You seen any?
Nah.
But, you know, that's still a lot of work yet to do, you know? It's one thing that they had the back to do to knock out in the next 2 hours, but come down through here in the mud and all, and take all this down, I don't know about being done today. You guys gonna get all done today? You think you guys can get all done? Yeah? That's a lot of work. All right, well, I guess they do it enough to know. You know? I mean, they don't have that many people. Do they?
Four plus James or 4 living James.
Maybe. I guess they know. I guess you take that net down and next you start flying with a loader and a couple guys with rakes, you know, sod goes down and cover stuff, you know. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt them, but it's still a lot of work.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we've been waiting for you. We go home. It's time to go home. It's Friday, long week. So I told Ever you meet him and Wilbur down there 2:30. Okay. That won't take you long to get busted on that, I don't think.
Julio coming?
Well, Julio and Donnie should come down there.
Julio coming supposed to give me lunch today.
Julio's coming
I
here?
don't know. Yes. You need me call him and go.
Well, if he's going to get you lunch and him lunch, why don't you have him get you lunch and meet you at the buoy? You get the buoy stop yet on your phone?
No.
That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.